close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And and
universe and any proportions occupy that needs to have this keep those annually. Back to the Future, my personal favorite, Bibb's 1946 Ford, as well as a few selections from the distant future from 2015, Back to the Future Part 2, taking it back to the Stone Age, some cars from the some live action movie, two cars which are apparently too good to be here from Too Fast and Furious, got a few vehicles from the Jurassic franchise and from Transformers. But yeah, the gyrosphere from Jurassic World, you may notice, is missing its last piece, and that's because we added it later. CGI, computer generated imagery. Pulling into our old Mexico set here, we can have just that. It certainly is a gorgeous, sunny Southern California day here at Universal City. Although, did I just hear thunder? And definitely saw lightning. Oh my gosh! I'm so sorry. Rain washes you clean. You will know, ladies and gentlemen, that is our flash flood. That effect was created using thousands of gallons of recycled water, pumped and collected in tanks at the top of the hill, sent rushing down for your enjoyment. Now, as we pull further into our old Mexico set, you may recognize this set piece from the classic comedy Three Amigos, starring Chevy Chase, Steve Martin, and Martin Short. But this was also used by Stephanie Germanotta for her Judas music video. Oh wait, sorry, that's Lady Gaga, for all you noobs out there. Big fan. Big fan. Now as we cross the Rio Grande from old Mexico, we now enter the old west of 6 Points, Texas, and simply put, folks, this isn't only one of the oldest, most iconic areas of Universal, but in all of Hollywood. For legends such as John Wayne, Jimmy Stewart, Clint Eastwood, Kirk Douglas, Robert Redford, and many more sporting their chics, shooters, and spurs, riding on their little horses around the various saloons and streets of 6 Points, Texas. And actually, this is really the foundation for what will become the Universal Studios Store, which we're all illustrious. Largely into the history of the studio because our founder Carl Ledley was homesick. He was an immigrant from Germany and he wanted to build an area that reminded him of home, so he built Little Europe. But it ended up becoming the backdrop for several of our most famous Universal horror movies, where many angry villagers sporting pitchforks and torches chasing down creatures who, to be honest, at the end of the day, just wanted some love and acceptance and for somebody to tell them that everything was good. And speaking of good, some of you may know this place better as the location of the Good Place. 100% degree certainty that there are absolutely no sharks. Okay, that is a actual shark, folks. Give me just 1 second here. Hey, sharks! Get out of the water! There's a shark! Sharks! Oh, folks, this is not good for my friend George. You know what? He is such a nice guy. He actually just had a kid. Gosh, you know, being a father, heck, being a diver really takes a lot of guts. And there they are. Dominic Toretto's black Dodge Charger from the Fast and the Furious. My personal favorite here from American Graffiti, John Dillner's Yellow Deuce Coupe. We have a Smythe's piano service truck from our brother Hardtown, that white and pink car. That's still standing in Hollywood. The plane crash scene. Steven Spielberg's or Now, this is in fact a real Boeing 747 airplane, which used to fly thousands of feet above us in the sky. It was purchased at a cost of $60,000. Took about a week to get here from a Air Force base out in the Mojave Desert. And here's production designer Rick Howard.
Don't flinch. We'll be seeing each other soon enough, Mother. Have these two report to Lieutenant Starscream immediately. They are to begin their assignments at once. Pay attention, humans. Do you? On a full rendition of The Music Man by 8:30 sharp p.m. tonight. Go on, rehearse. Get to it. Whole thing. Choreography and all.